Hey YouTube, I'm here. Today I'm gonna share with you how to add music on your profile. So it's straightforward. It's easy to do. You can do that yourself. So okay, you need to go your Facebook account. So I'm tap on my Facebook account, and here is couple of option. You need to tap on edit profile. That's pin option. You can see. So click on there and scroll down, and the after last option edit your about info, you have to click on there. Okay, I would click there and scroll down again, and here you can see music, add music, click on there, and top right option plus option, click on there, and whatever artist music you want to add, so you can search in the search bar. So I'm search my favorite artist Sham. So and checking that which is you would add. So checking that, yes, it is select Surah Rahman. Okay, it's selected. So right now trying to see it's work or not. So I need to go three dot option and view as how public see my profile. uh, yes, it's added. So you can see that your other people, so like that, and scroll down, other probably your friend see your profile like that, your music is here, so I play on that, so it's view as right now, so therefore I cannot see that, but your friend see that easily. So yeah, it's straightforward, you can do that. So if you want to any kind of video that's you don't know, you are something complicated, you can comment those things, and I will create those video, I will create I will give a solution about that, so you can do that.